Well, we know the sock didn't go through those tiny holes, but you're on the right track because that is the right area. Hi, my name is Renee. I'm an appliance repair tech, and I cannot even count how many socks I have pulled out of front-load washing machine drain pump filters. It's a lot. Now, you are correct that the sock can't fit through those tiny little holes down there, and it also can't fit through the tiny little holes inside of the wash basket. However, right above the little holes in the part of the video where I stitched, there is a little gap where socks and other small items, like collar stays, zipper pulls, baby socks, clothing labels, etc., can get through. And to understand why that is, you have to understand how the parts of a front-load washing machine go together. First, you have your inner wash basket, which is the part that you can actually see when you look inside your washing machine, and that's what you actually put your clothing into. And then your wash basket is inside of an outer plastic tub, which is the housing that keeps everything contained. Unlike the wash basket, the outer tub does not move. And then at the back, there's a shaft that connects the inner basket to the outer tub and then connects it to a motor. How the motor is connected depends on the type of washing machine you have. But regardless, as the motor turns, the shaft turns, and that turns the basket inside of the tub. Wash basket has holes in it so that water can flow in and out of it freely. It's kind of like having a giant colander inside of a giant bowl of water. The front is open so you can put your clothes inside, and then the door closes that opening. Glass door pressed up against a plastic tub and a metal basket isn't going to be watertight, which is where your gasket comes into play. Your gasket, also sometimes known as the door boot, is connected on one side to your washing machine's tub and on the other side to the front panel of your washing machine. Not connected to the wash basket because the wash basket needs to be able to move freely in order to wash your clothes. The door gasket also has a little lip that covers the gap between the inner basket and the outer tub. That way clothing is a lot less likely to slip in between the two and wind up in your drain pump filter. Also, why front-load washing machine doors are designed with that little bump. That bump redirects the clothing away from the gasket and away from that gap. But every once in a while, especially if you're overloading your washing machine, small items can still get past all of that and wind up in your drain pump anyway. Which is why if you have a front-load washing machine, I always suggest washing small items, ankle socks, baby socks, bras with inserts, etc., in a washable mesh garment bag to prevent that from happening in the first place.